This is where things I think start getting really interesting. This concept of AI model collapse. In an AI model collapse, AI systems which are trained on their own outputs, this is the key part. AI systems that are trained on their own outputs gradually lose accuracy, diversity, and reliability. This occurs because errors compound across successive model generations, leading to distorted data distributions and irreversible defects in performance. The final result, a Nature 2024 paper stated, the model becomes poisoned with its own projection of reality. Now ask yourself how the system DeepSeek was trained. For those of you that don't know, there's a large body of evidence that shows DeepSeek was trained on the output of one of OpenAI's latest models, which means the entirety or some large portion of DeepSeek's model was trained purely by another AI model. It's not actually trained on data that's in the universe, that's in the wild. It's actually being trained directly on another AI system. But easy enough, right? Just stop training on the AI systems, okay? Is it though? Let's continue. Model collapse is the result of three different factors. The first is error accumulation, in which each model generation inherits and amplifies flaws from previous versions, causing outputs to drift from original data patterns. Next, there is the loss of tail data. In this, rare events are erased from training data and eventually entire concepts are blurred. Finally, feedback loops reinforce narrow patterns, creating repetitive texts or biased recommendations. I like how the AI company Aquant puts it. In simpler terms, when AI is trained on its own outputs, the results can drift farther away from reality. Yes, exactly. And this is why you generally do not want to do this. This is very dangerous. And it becomes basically an echo chamber where it has no ability for novel creative ideation and it can't expand its generalizability at all. It becomes hyper specialized and it can start to increase its confabulations, or otherwise known as hallucinations. Okay, let's continue.